Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Mahakalkar and I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I have completed my degree in Bachelor's of Engineering in Computer Technology in 2020, and after that I want to move in my career in IT domain, but unfortunately I didn't get any right opportunity. In late 2023, one of my friends told me about the Evision Technosub, where I got to know about the Evision 45 days training program. So I just contact with the concerned person and I enrolled their program, and I successfully completed my 45 days training program. Over there I have learned a lot of things like Windows Administrator, ITIL, CCNA, virtualization, and VM. Information about VMs and many more things. Also, I have hands-on experience in troubleshooting as well. So there are things and which I have learned so much things, and I just want to mention one more thing, that their guidance and support helped me a lot to crack my interviews. So I am very much happy to share that I got placed in Orient Technology company with package of 3 LPA, and I am very much happy that I chosen the Evision and enrolled there, and the mentors was very much supportive, and it is and the whole Evision team is very supportive. If you are looking for the job in IT, so I want to suggest you that it is the best place. Just go for it and enroll there. They are very supportive, and you definitely get that opportunity. Thank you so much, Evision team, and thank you all mentors.